So guys, this is a continuation of this chef suit that we started, double-breasted chef suit that we started the last time. I'm sorry we couldn't finish it in one video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the collar, the bishop collar. So first thing you're going to do is to measure round the neck circumference. You can fold your neckline into two and measure it, but here I'm just leaving it single like that and taking the measurement, the full round circumference measurement. So after doing that, I got 25 inches, and this is what I have here, as you can see. Then I'm going to go ahead and get this paper, this collar gum. It's called collar gum in Nigeria. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and place this into two. After folding it into two, remember we measured single, so now I'm going to divide whatever I got into two. We got 25 inches, so if I divide it into two, I'll have 12 and a half. I'm going to measure 12 and a half here, and I'm going to square it out. So I'm going to measure 2.5 inches here. Then I'm going to take the measurement of the back neckline on fold. I have 3.5 inches. I'm going to mark 3.5 inches here. Then I'm going to use my curve ruler. Here I'm going to come up 2.5 inches. I said that before, but I'm showing it. It's 2.5 inches I have here. So I'm going to use this curve ruler and then place it like so to mark the lower part of the neckline. So this is going to be for the one going to the neckline. Next, I'm going to mark the width of the collar. I'm going to make a 90-degree here, and from there and start measuring the measurement of the depth, the width of the height of the collar. I want it to be 1.25. You can make it to be 1 inch. It depends on how you want it to look, but 1.25 is perfect. You saw how it's looking on my clients. So I'm going to go ahead and keep measuring 1.25 here till I get to the folded edge. Then for the outer side of the collar, you're going to just make a curve here like this. And this is it. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out. If you have not watched the full tutorial on how I made the chef jacket, make sure to check in the description section, or I'm going to leave it in the comment section for you to be able to watch the full tutorial of how to make the chef suit. So after cutting that edge, I'm going to also turn this around and cut out the lower part. Make sure you hold it properly, depending on what you're using to cut out yours. Is that scissors or your rotary cutter? Make sure you hold it properly so that the both ends would be uniform. So after cutting this out, I'm going to go ahead and place this on the main fabric. So here is my fabric. I'm going to go ahead and place the shiny part which has the gum on it, and I'm going to iron it on it. Then next thing, this is it. I am going to go ahead to place the bias binding. So you're going to turn it like this, and you're going to fold your bias into two like this and start placing it all the way around. You just baste this bias onto it. So after I was done, I went ahead to cut out the second layer, the second one that I'm going to use to turn the collar. I'll go ahead to also cut the lower part. When you're cutting the lower part, leave some reasonable amount of fabric, so that when you're done turning it, you have enough fabric to work with, so that you'll be able to cut out the exact material you need. So I'll go to my machine now and I'm going to sew this round. After sewing it, I will turn it over and then iron it. So this is it after sewing it. You can see. Then you turn it and iron it properly. You go ahead and iron this properly. After ironing it properly, then you have the sewing allowance you would use to join it to the neckline. So this is it. I'm going to go ahead to place this like this. I left ½ inch sewing allowance, so I'm going to sew the ½ inch, turn it in, and then I'm going to put this in like this and make a stitch in the ditch. So this is the final look. Make sure to watch the tutorial on how I cut and sew the suit, the chef suit itself, so that you get the whole tutorial. I'll see you guys in my next video.